Greetings. Welcome back to this channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I am Dr. Kari-Lee Grant. If you'd like to know more information about me, please check out the description box below. We're doing a series on parables. Join us at 5 a.m. Jamaican time each morning, or check out the videos at any time. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Greetings. Welcome back to the channel, yeah. Where every day we read something new from the Jamaican New Testament. Me, a Dr. Kari-Lee Grant. If you want to know more about me, you can check out the description box below the video. We're doing a series on the parable them in the Bible. Come keep a company 5 o'clock a morning time every day. Or you can watch the video them anytime you get a chance. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, let's get into the word. Now, make we get into the word.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read from Luke 10, verses 25 to 37. One law teacher turn up for test Jesus. Teacher, him asks, what me fi do fi live forever? Jesus asks him, what the law say? What you get from it? The man say, you fi love the Lord where I fear God. You fi love him with all of your heart, love him with the whole of your soul, love him with all of your strength, and with the whole of your mind. And you fi love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. Jesus said to him, say, your answer right. Do that, and you will live. To make himself feel good, the man asked Jesus one next question. So, who am my neighbor? Jesus answered him, say, one man left Jerusalem and did a go at Jericho. Pon the way, some thief hold him up. Them take away all what him have, beat him, nearly kill him, and left him there for dead. One priest did a go down the same road, and when him buck up on the man, him cross, I go walk on the next side. One man will help take care of God's house, come at the same place and see the man. But him cross go walk on the next side too. But one man will come from Samaria did a travel on the same road. When him reach which part the man there and see him feel sorry for him. So him go over to the man, throw olive oil and wine pan him cut them and band them up. Then him put the man pan him own a donkey, carry him go on one guest house and take care of him. The next morning, him give the owner for the guest house 2 silver coin and say, take care of him. And when we come back, me will be give back any money where you spend for look after him. Then Jesus asked the law teacher, say, you see the man what the thief them beat up? Which one of the 3 people them you think I did him neighbor? Him say, the one where they help him. So Jesus say, go on, go do the same thing. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.